Imagine an AI so powerful that it doesn't just retrieve information. It understands, analyzes, and synthesizes it like an expert. Welcome to DeepSeek, the cutting-edge AI system transforming how we interact with data. Let's discover what makes DeepSeek special and how it can enhance your work with data. What is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is an advanced open-source AI assistant with an embedded search engine, able to write comprehensive reports. The platform works across various types of tasks, from simple text generation to complex problem-solving, making it versatile for different needs. Blog posts, market research, data analysis, and many more. Why the hype? The secret behind DeepSeek's hype lies in a game-changing approach that was used by its developers. The thing is, DeepSeek is able to achieve impressive capabilities while using much less than other AI models. According to current information, it cost only around $5 million to train the DeepSeek model, while for other assistants, numbers reach tens of millions. So here's where one of the DeepSeek's main advantages come from. It is freely available for everyone. Also, DeepSeek works super fast. In fact, it operates 3 times quicker than other top AI tools. So, DeepSeek's accessibility and powerful capabilities make it perfect for anyone, both for personal purposes and business. Core capabilities. DeepSeek excels through several key features that make it stand out in the AI landscape. DeepThink is one of such features, and it lets users observe the AI's step-by-step reasoning as it works through a query. This helps users identify potential errors in the AI's approach, making it especially useful for refining complex tasks and ensuring more accurate results. In the below screenshot, you can see an example of DeepSeek's thinking process. For demonstration purposes, all screenshots are provided in English. As you can see, DeepSeek approaches queries with a thorough step-by-step process. Even the most simple ones like 1 + 1. Quite impressive, isn't it? This way, it pursues the goal of giving the best answer possible, which is a very helpful feature. DeepSeek as a search engine. Also, unlike traditional search engines, DeepSeek's search mode can understand the meaning behind your questions. It interprets vague queries and finds relevant information based on concepts rather than just keywords. For example, asking, "Why do people prefer shopping online?" prompts DeepSeek to analyze content related to online shopping habits, consumer behavior, and digital retail trends. Then, it will provide you with a detailed report on the question, potentially even helping you to discover the things you did not expect. Next, thank you to DeepSeek's understanding of human language. You can interact with it as if you're talking to another person, guiding it into completing various tasks. So, this is how DeepSeek is able to provide a huge help with different tasks like content creation, brainstorming, task organization, coding, math problem solving, and many other things. Practice time. Now that we understand DeepSeek's fundamentals, let's put this knowledge into practice. What primary factor contributed to DeepSeek's efficient development? Optimized training methodology, extensive data pre-processing, advanced hardware infrastructure, collaborative development model. DeepSeek in action. How are companies transforming their operations with DeepSeek? Let's explore 5 compelling use cases that show how businesses of all sizes are achieving real results with AI. These stories will help you understand practical applications of DeepSeek in everyday business operations. Why businesses need DeepSeek? Before diving into specific cases, let's understand what makes DeepSeek essential for modern businesses. Unlike other AI solutions, it combines power with accessibility. In general, businesses using AI achieve up to 70% lower costs, in tasks like customer support and 40% energy savings, while improving service quality as well. In turn, since DeepSeek is an open-source model and does not require massive investments, this way AI becomes accessible to organizations of any size. Customer support. Evolution. Small businesses can transform customer service with DeepSeek-powered AI chatbots. These assistants will handle inquiries 24/7 and understand multiple languages. For example, here are the potential results that can be achieved by a small retail company that uses DeepSeek for its operations. 40% shorter wait times, 15% lower costs. Improved customer satisfaction through faster, consistent responses. Content creation revolution. DeepSeek can help generate SEO content across blogs, social media, and email campaigns, while maintaining brand voice and quality. Thus, a marketing agency can have their content creation time using DeepSeek. Meanwhile, it will maintain quality while scaling output, serving more clients without expanding the team. DeepSeek can also be used by companies that want to uncover valuable insights from their data. The AI will analyze trends and help make informed decisions based on real-time information. Smart data analysis. As an example, consulting firms demonstrate this perfectly. Without large analyst teams, they will be able to predict market trends and suggest optimizing strategies, helping smaller companies compete effectively. Customer experience enhancement. DeepSeek allows firms to power smart recommendation engines that create personalized shopping experiences based on user behavior. For instance, e-commerce platforms already see increases in their conversions after implementing AI-powered personalized recommendations, which improve both customer satisfaction and sales. Operational efficiency. All in all, as you could have understood, DeepSeek will increase the operational efficiency of your business while not requiring big costs. With DeepSeek, businesses can automate not only routine tasks like data entry or report generation, but also a variety of advanced ones. This will free up a lot of time for strategic work. What makes DeepSeek uniquely accessible for small businesses? Its open-source nature requiring no major investment. Its complex interface, its premium features, its hardware requirements. For this, let's recap what we covered. Ethical considerations and responsible AI use. As we dive deeper into DeepSeek's capabilities, it's crucial to understand the ethical aspects of AI implementation. In this lesson, you'll explore how to implement AI responsibly and transparently. Why ethics matter in business, AI. AI offers immense potential for businesses, from automating decisions to enhancing customer experiences. However, misuse of AI can lead to reputational or legal issues. Therefore, ethical AI practices are not just a moral obligation, but a strategic imperative, within which DeepSeek is not an exception. Transparency is about ensuring stakeholders understand how AI systems operate and make decisions. Opacity breeds suspicion, especially when AI impacts customers, employees, or partners. In this sense, the business impacts are clear. Transparent AI reduces compliance risks and strengthens brand reputation. Therefore, customers are more likely to engage with companies that demystify AI processes. Ensuring equitable AI. Another important thing to consider is that AI models can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in training data or design choices. Such biases could lead to AI favoring certain demographics while disadvantaging others. For example, while using AI as a recruitment tool, it may prefer candidates with certain characteristics, e.g., males. In this case, it is important to retrain the model with balanced data and ensure oversight. Thus, the key strategies for AI fairness in business are: conduct regular audits on AI models to check for bias. Ensure training data reflects diverse populations. Managing bias proactively prevents costly discrimination and ensures equity. Responsible deployment. Ethical AI deployment is an ongoing effort, not a one-time fix. It requires weaving responsibility into the entire AI lifecycle. Therefore, key strategies include establishing AI committees for oversight and training employees on ethical AI principles and practices. As a result, by operationalizing ethics, businesses drive sustainable growth. This will lead to strengthened customer relationships and a good reputation for your company. Safeguarding privacy. Last but not least, privacy is a very important concern when using AI, not only for business purposes, but for personal use in general. DeepSeek is a new model, so such information about it is yet to be uncovered, but here are some general things that you should know. When using AI tools collect users' personal data. The collected data may include chat histories and device information as well. If security measures are insufficient, there's a risk of data leaks or misuse. Therefore, it is important to keep these precautions in mind, especially if using AI in business. In this context, the role of transparency about AI use becomes even more significant. Let's practice. Now that you are familiar with ethical considerations and the main principles of responsible AI use, let's test this knowledge in practice. First, how does transparency in AI systems impact business outcomes? It builds long-term trust with stakeholders by providing clarity on AI decision-making. It streamlines operational processes by automating documentation. It enhances system performance through continuous monitoring. It strengthens data security through increased visibility. Prompting. Let's recap what we've covered, and then get ready for some new knowledge.